Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Car Wash set 60362 from 2023 to 2024, and I'm going to do this in a 3-part video. So I'm going to first start off with the first part of the set, and I'm putting the minifigure, the female minifigure. She only has a single face print on her head, and she also comes with this beautiful blonde hair, and on her outfit on the front and on the back are pineapples. Now I'm putting the next part together. As you can see, this is slowly starting to take shape. I'll put one of these 1x4 with single stud on. Then I put this beautiful leaf piece on, and also the beautiful yellow flower piece. Now take a 1x4 dark navy blue piece, put that on, and I take this light blue 1x4 flat piece. See, as you can see, it's slowly starting to take shape. As you can see, I've now completed the first part of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in my contact info in a link in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.